How to hide your Instagram account. So if you want to hide your Instagram account, then you don't have that option to hide your Instagram account. But what you can do is you can simply temporarily disable or deactivate your account. So to deactivate your account, you have to open up your Chrome browser, and then you have to simply open up your Instagram, log in your Instagram on your browser. And after opening your Instagram on your browser, now you can go for settings, which is on the upper left, and then you can simply go for account center, and now go for personal details, and then go for account ownership and control, and here go for deactivation and deletion, and then choose your Instagram account, and then tap on continue, which is on the bottom right. And here you have to enter your password, and after entering your password you can simply tap on continue, and that's it. That's how you deactivate your Instagram account or disable your Instagram account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.